I'm tired, baby. What?
Hey, mommy, big boy.
Tell us the story.
Hey, my big boy.
He says, okay. Now what? Now what, Bubba? Yeah. What?
Tell Grandma how much you love her.
Where's my smile? Give me my smile. I want the I want to smile. Where's the smile? You know giggles? He says, I can't see you. How am I supposed to giggle when I can't see you? Oh, he had that in his hand earlier.
No, I told him about holding on to it for a long time.
Yeah. He kept hitting himself in the head with it, so I finally took it away from him.
Yeah, well, I told him not to hit
Because he was going,
hold it, grab it. Now you put your thumb on that. There you go. Hold it.
Where's Kenny?
Oh, you don't like that.
Bristol?
Talking some trash.
I could have had that back, and I could have just, spun it around.